Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today we got a laser case. We're going to recontour the gum tissue of one front tooth to make it look symmetrical to the tooth next to it. Have you ever had a tooth where the gum is lower, where the gum is lower on one tooth than it is the other? Well, we're going to correct that because that's going to create the symmetry that you need to have an even looking smile. So let's go ahead and take a look at our patient. Open, please. If you notice that this patient has nice teeth, two front teeth are a little bit worn down. They should be a little bit longer than the teeth on either side. But the main thing I notice when she smiles is that the gum height of this central is higher than the gum height of this central. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our Biolase laser, and we're going to remove this gum tissue and maybe a little bit here to make it more symmetrical. So let's get started. So this laser can do so many things. It's very efficient, doesn't cost a lot, and take a look at the results. Okay, you can see now that her gums are much more even than they were when we started. Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, you're just a laser away from having yourself get a symmetrical smile. Thanks for watching.